Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is unplug the power cord for safety reasons. Today's project, I'll be replacing a control board on a Frigidaire gas stove. First thing we have to do is remove this rear cover. There are 6 1/4-inch screws that mount this rear cover onto the stove. I will not show you all screws being removed. Really simple. Once you take off one, the other 6 are easy. 2 on the left, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the right. Okay, now we have one left to remove, just bottom right. Be very careful because the back cover can fall and land on your foot, and that's a lot of pain there. So be careful when you do take it off. Okay, we got the back cover off now. Now you're gonna want to remove the power harness. Just press the tab down and pull out. This is a really easy job. Now, there's your control board. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws, which is pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take those off. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. As well as if you'd like to donate to this channel, I have a link in my description to donate. Okay, now we have the control board off. We're going to put the new one on. Make sure the wiring harness is at the bottom. That way you have it on correctly. Once again, you put the Phillips head screw on, mount it. Real simple, nothing special. Align it into the holes and screw down. Don't make sure you do not screw the screws in really tight, because this is a plastic cover on the harness, on the control board, and you could crack it. So make sure you don't, it's snug but not tight, super tight. And to put this last screw in, the control board will be completely mounted. And next we'll screw the wiring harness back in, slide it in all the way as far as it can go. Make sure it's nice and snug. Put the back cover back on. I have 1 screw on already. You have to put 6 of these on total, but just do the opposite of what we done at the beginning. Really simple job. Really simple. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and if you like, donate to the production of these videos if it helps you. Okay, we winding down this last couple of screws. Like I said, pretty easy job. Not too much to do. And there you have it. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.